तू भी कुछ कर ले नालायक, तेरी बहन बन गई
कर
हाउस
लिया
कैप्टन,
मैंने तो।
तू क्या बना?
मैं तो स्पोर्ट्स वाइज कैप्टन बन गया।
वाइस कैप्टन बन गया है, बताओ बहन के नीचे काम करेगा, वो
वो भी
छोटी बहन।
स्पोर्ट्स वाली।
बजा तू, क्या बोलता है यार, पिछले जन्म में लड़की था ये। So okay my dear friends, today you know what is it, you know very well. Can you have any idea about today's topic?
सर मेरे को पता है।
बोल।
हाँ सर सर वो तो सर आपको भी पता ही होगा सर, इसलिए आप ही बता दो।
ये क्या बात
सही
हो
बात
गई? Yes,
सर।
anyone else who can tell me, who can have any idea, who can tell me?
able to guess the topic sir.
Eh?
Sir we
And the topic, acha, okay, I give you some hint. I give you some hint.
okay sir.
This is the thing that people like the most.
सर ये तो बहुत बार हो गया यार सर।
Tell me the name of the topic.
सर मोबाइल सर।
The topic, the thing about the thing I am talking is too much liked by everyone.
बचपन।
You know,
सर इज इट मनी?
and it is so much favorite of.
सर हॉलीडे?
Yes,
Sir, sleeping.
100% right.
Sleeping.
Today's topic is holiday. क्या गैस लगाया वैष्णवी ने, देखा? अरे अपनी फेवरेट चीज है, बताओ अपनी फेवरेट चीज को भी तुम गैस नहीं लगा पाए आज यार। सबसे फेवरेट चीज है क्या तुम्हारी?
सर हम छुट्टी करते हैं इसलिए आज भूल गए सर।
When you are free from school, when your school is about to close at about 1 or 2 p.m, you become so much happy.
सर इसी बात पे
And
छुट्टी
you
दे दो।
leave the school just like you are leaving a jail. And when any notice register come to your class, first the thought that comes to your mind is that, sir छुट्टी है कल की. And this holiday is a thing about which our students are well aware every time. हमको पता नहीं होता है, और हम जब आते हैं तो हमको बताते क्लास में, सर कल तो छुट्टी है। कल तो छुट्टी है क्या मतलब हो गया? अरे सर आपको पता नहीं है क्या? मतलब आने वाले 10 दिनों की छुट्टियों का उनको पहले अंदाजा होता है। तो you know very well that what pleasure it gives you. I think I need not tell you about anything, and I think the students of B20 are also able to speak on the same topic, holiday.
सर आप बोल दो 200 लाइन बोल दे।
1 मिनट चुप रह तू। 200 लाइन नहीं, टाइम लिमिट दूंगा बोलने की। 200 लाइन बोल दे, खुद पे तो बोली नहीं जाती 4 लाइन, हॉलीडे पे जरूर बोल देगा 200 लाइन। B20
सर
वालों
अभी
को
तो
अगर
आपने
कोई
बोला था
इश्यू है,
फेवरेट चीज है।
B20 वालों को, if they think that if it is mandatory for the students of B20, there is no relaxation. And for those also who are the students of both B20 and B21, okay, but the students of B21 may speak on some different topic, like about their city, about their village, if they think that they are not able to speak on the topic of holiday. Is it okay? समझ में आ गया होगा सबको मैंने क्या कहा है? एक दूसरे को ध्यान से सुनो, ठीक है? और बहुत ज्यादा लंबा चौड़ा भाषण देने की जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि आपका फेवरेट है। समझ गए आप? बहुत ज्यादा लंबा चौड़ा नहीं, कम से कम in very minimum words you have to express your views, your pleasure. You know, this is the day to express your pleasure when you get holiday, what you feel. So I think you are ready for it. And yes, you have also started given your names. And yes, very ho. विपिन ने अपना नाम लिख दिया। काहे के लिए लिखा है भाई ये नाम तूने अपना? स्पीकिंग के लिए? नहीं, अभी नहीं बोलोगे आप। अभी नया स्टूडेंट कोई भी नहीं बोलेगा। विपिन अभी नहीं बोलेगा, 4-5 जनों के बाद बोलेगा। अनवी भी अभी नहीं आएगी।
वो नाम तो मेरा है।
किसका?
सर विपिन के आईडी से मैंने भेजा है।
विपिन की? ओ माय गॉड। ये फर्जीवाड़े हो जाते हैं कई बार इस प्रकार के, इनको समझना बड़ा
सर
मुश्किल होता है। वहां भाई
सर आप हमें चेक कर रहे होंगे
मैं
ना?
उसको विपिन ही पढ़ रहा हूँ। गौरव मेरे को दिख ही नहीं रहा, क्या हाल कर लिया गौरव तूने आजकल यार, तेरा नाम भी दिखना बंद हो गया है यार, है? ओ माय गॉड, अच्छा बच्चा है ये, लेकिन इसकी चंचलता इसको खराब कर देगी। चलो ठीक है, ओके, वेरी गुड। सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट गौरव हैज गिवन हिज नेम फर्स्ट। गौरव प्लीज ढंग से बैठना थोड़ा सा, एक तो है ना इधर उधर भगने की कोशिश की ना तूने बेटा, लास्ट में बुलवाऊंगा तेरे से, मैं सुन लेना कान खोल के, बिल्कुल सीधा बैठ जाना, अलर्ट हो के एकदम, और तरीके से बोलना जरा, ना बहुत ज्यादा फास्ट ना बहुत ज्यादा स्लो, ठीक है ना? तेरे को फास्ट होने के लिए बोलता हूँ तो एकदम भगता है 200 की स्पीड पे, स्लो होने के लिए बोलता हूँ तो बिल्कुल स्लो मोशन की स्पीड चालू कर देता है तू। तो बिल्कुल अच्छे से अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस करो नाउ, स्टार्टिंग विद गौरव, कम ऑन।
Yes, sir. Hello, sir. I am Gaurav Verma. Today's topic is holidays. So, holidays is a feeling or a day or a time where a student or a work or a earning man is happy. Means it's holiday and you are free to do anything you want, the things you like. You can play outside if you are a student.
वेरी गुड बेटा।
So you can play outside and many other things we like. So I have to express holidays in minimum words. So holidays is given on special occasions or some emergency
बहुत
occasion,
अच्छा बोल रहा है बेटा, शाबाश बेटा, सुनो सब ध्यान से इसको। हाँ,
or in some emergencies like if there is some riots or something in a country, so there will be a national holiday or a state holiday in that country. So that's it. Thank you, sir.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा बोला बेटा, आज बहुत अच्छा एक्सप्रेशन है तेरा, इसी तरीके से रहना चाहिए बेटा, और ऐसे ही रहना। अभी थोड़ा समझा कर बेटा किसी बात को, है ना बेटा? हाँ, थोड़ा सा कंट्रोल कर खुद को। रक्षित,
सर
हाँ बेटा।
सर इज देयर एनी टाइम लिमिट?
ना, बट ट्राई टू एक्सप्रेस योर व्यूज इन अ लिमिट टाइम, मतलब ट्राई,
ओके सर।
है ना? मतलब दिस इज
यस
आल्सो एन
सर।
एबिलिटी बेटा।
यस
आई
सर।
नो दैट दिस इज योर फेवरेट टॉपिक, बट ओके, जस्ट कम ऑन, स्टार्ट करो।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Akshit Maurya and today I am telling on the topic that is holiday. We know that what is holiday because it is a part of our life and we know that for what reason holidays are given to us, and the main reason is that it is for the reason that we should take a rest after after the work that we have done in the whole week and can get relaxed from our day to day works, and we know that what is the feeling that we get when we get a holiday, because when a student go for when a student go whole week to school, but the day that is a Saturday, when he come from school and think that tomorrow is Sunday, so the feeling he get, that is very nice, and we know
देखो,
that
आज तो देखो चेहरा कैसा हो रहा है, बिल्कुल यस, सही है,
yes
अपनी
sir,
पसंदीदा चीज हो तो बोल, होता ही है। हाँ बोल।
and this is a fact that when a student gets off from the school day at the afternoon, it seems that he is not going off the school. He is going off from the prison, and that people have caught him in the prison, and after a long time he is out of the
राइट
prison,
राइट,
and
वेरी गुड, प्रिजन।
and the expression of the students is that why yaar maza aa gaya.
मजा आ गया, यस।
and 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 we also request sir in our in these classes for holidays many times, and this is, and sir also gives us holidays many times, and so That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड यार, मजा आ गया। कुछ भी कहो आप सुन करके, अच्छे से बोलो, खुल के बोलो, क्या है जो भी फीलिंग्स है उनको निकालो यार। इनको अपन कोई कहीं बाहर कहीं भेज थोड़ी रहे तुम्हारे स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल के पास। सो व्हाई यू वरी, स्पीक स्पीक एज यू विश, बस ये ध्यान रखो आप। यस, कम ऑन अर्शित।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is.
बोलो बोलो
Sir.
बोल।
Yes. Hello everyone. My name is Arshit Moran, and today's my topic is holiday. Holiday is not just a leave day from work, but it is also an emotion for the students and those who are in office and they want to take rest.
Emotion?
Holidays are main.
बोल बोल बोल।
Holidays, holidays are mainly meant for betterment of our work and to give us rest. And on holidays, all of us are almost free, but sometimes we have the work of our school, which is not as good as we think. And holidays are very important to be given to the officers and also to the students so that they can refresh themselves and start a new day uh, from the next day. And we can see that there are many occasions on which we are given holidays so that we can enjoy those occasions, and also we can do our work sometimes when we are given those works. And as we know very well that holiday is not just to leave its emotion for all the students, because in the school at the name of holiday there is too much happiness on the faces of all the boys and girls who are in the class. And those, they think that it's a holiday so we can enjoy our day, but the interesting thing about holidays this, that we don't have enough time, because it seems to us that the holidays are usually usually shorter than other days. So it seems to us that we have not enjoyed as much as we could enjoy, and as much as our time was at the time when we were in the school. So in my point of view, holidays are very important and should be given to a student and officer by time to time. That's it, sir.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, नाइस फ्लो, कीप इट अप। यस, नाउ अनवी।
Hello everyone, my today's topic is holidays. Holidays are very happy day for children and me. I like holidays very much. We do many things in holidays.
शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड।
Children like to go to beach, like children like to go in Goa, Delhi, Dehradun, etc. Holidays is a very happiness day for children. And on holidays we do anything that we like to do. Like when children come on Saturday at home and they think tomorrow is holiday, and they is very happy.
They are happy. They are very happy.
They are happy to. I also like to come from school on Saturday, and I think tomorrow is holiday. I'm very happy. इसको लेके
हो गया?
नहीं सर,
बेटा आवाज सही करे, तो सही बैठे, मोबाइल को सेट करके रखा करो बेटा एक जगह पे, ऐसे आपने मत रखा करो इसको।
सर चार्ज में लग रहा है।
ओके चला, बोल, अब बोल, आवाज सही आ रही है आवाज।
इसको लेके
बोल,
इसको लेके इसको लेके इंग्लिश में कैसे कह सकता है इसको?
हैं?
इसको लेके
पूरा बोलो।
इसको लेके बहुत खुश है हम ऐसे, और इसको
अबाउट इट
लेके
कर दो, दे अबाउट इट कर दो, दे बिकम वेरी हैप्पी अबाउट इट।
ओके सर। I like to go on vacation at holiday, like Goa, Dehradun, Delhi, etc. And I like to do anything on holiday, like drawing. We can go on vacations, etc. I like holidays very much. So that is.
बहुत बढ़िया बोला बेटा। थोड़ी आवाज तेरी गड़बड़ थी, थोड़ा सा इसको सेट करके रखा करो बेटा मोबाइल को। यस गर्वित।
Yes, sir. Today my topic is holiday. Holiday is a that thing that like all people, and we have different type of holidays like summer holidays, winter holidays, and rainy holidays, and Sunday is a holidays, and the people take holiday to different reason like fever, fracture, etc. And holiday is that thing that like all people, and the children comes before school on the home on Saturday, and the people and the children like tomorrow is Sunday, and children think tomorrow is Sunday, and the children when time children is very happy, and I like holiday very much, and yes sir, that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया। अब इसी टॉपिक पे लिख के डालना है आपको फोटो, ठीक है? अनवी को भी और गर्वित को भी सेम टॉपिक द हॉलीडे पे इसी पे लिखना है आपको, सेल्फ राइटिंग में और डालना है, ठीक है?
ओके
ठीक है बेटा, कोशिश करो और ध्यान से थोड़ा सा और अच्छे से बोलने की कोशिश करो। यस कम ऑन सुशील।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Sushil, and I am student of the Ramban on the intensive classes OB16. And today, again, I am here with a new topic that is holiday. Holiday is not a word; it is feeling of happiness and pleasure, and there is no price and cost of it, and we can't buy it. And as we know that we are not a machine, we are human being, and we need also rest to refresh ourselves. So we are given holidays. Generally holidays are given at some occasions and festivals, and once a week, and it is important and useful for all because all use it in a good way, like like some students use it to complete their homework, and some use it to play, and also and employee also uses it. How they go for shopping, and for cinema to watch movies, etc. So we all use it in a way, and it is very it is more important for students than others because they like it most. If you want to see a smile on their face, so give them holiday, and the smile which they have, and there is no price of it. And today, when our school bell rang, we had a smile, and we also said chutti. Love, in a way that is very memorable, and we can't forget that. So at last, I want to say that holiday is important for all, and it should be given to all time to time. So that's it.
वेरी गुड बेटा, शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया। सोनिया,
हेलो
आजा देवी, आज तो आजा।
सर।
हाँ,
सर मैं अभी बाद में बोलूंगी।
तो नाम कब लिखा फिर तूने?
अब मैं बात थोड़ी देर बाद में बोलूंगी।
बाद में
अभी बुलवा लो, फिर मैं बोल दूंगी।
बोलना है
हाँ।
अभी? अभी बोलना है?
ना
अभी नाम लिख देना अपना, जब तेरा मन हो। जब आदित्य,
अब ठीक है सर।
आदित्य।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Donavat. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B18. Today's our topic is holiday. So, as you all know that holiday is a very big day for children because all children say that now our vacations are started, and this is very nice thing for us. And when my vacations are started, so I say my friend, I don't miss you. I am only free and सर एकदम कोई कुछ काम नहीं करेंगे हम, ऐसे उसको क्या
We
बोलेंगे?
have no work to do. We think
Yes,
that
sir,
we are free. We have no work to do. Like that. ऐसे
Yes,
बोलो। हाँ।
Yes, sir. And I say that I have, and I don't do any work in these holidays, and I sit on my chair and play mobile games and watch tab in afternoon in my free time. And this is very nice thing for children. And some children go foreign countries and Delhi, Mumbai, etc. And this is and the last day of our school, all children's
शर्मा है मत,
very
बोल दे। हाँ, शर्मा
अरे
है,
चीज
शर्माने की क्या बात है, बोल।
अरे चीज बोलूंगा ना तो बोल दो कि हिलोगे नहीं।
क्या?
अगर मैं ये सेंटेंस बोलूंगा ना तो हिलना मत।
नहीं लेंगे तो बोल, हिलना मत।
ठीक है सर। So in my last day of my when my vacation was started, uh, my school team planned that we do party in the school.
हाँ, क्या बात है, पार्टी। आगे बोल।
मैं दे रहा था अपने पैसे से, तब तो
तू
वेल
देता है तेरे पैसे से, तो अंग्रेजी बोलिए सारी बातें। Speak into English, no Hindi this time.
Yes sir, and I pay bill all things.
Very good yaar, you are a rich man. Yes.
And no sir, I am middle class family.
Okay, sorry. Very good, keep continue करो, carry on.
Yes, sir. And the expressions of a child is very high level expression because they planned what he do in the vacations. At last I want to say that you have enjoyed your vacations to watch your mobile phone. Yes, sir, that's it.
हाँ, मोबाइल फोन देखा, ये बात आई जाती है ना, मन की बात तो आएगी बेटा जुबान पे। बोलो, आगे बोलो।
बोल तो दिया, that's it.
That's it. Okay, thank you very much. मोबाइल दे दो बस इनको, छुट्टियां दे दो बस इनको, हैं? सब बातें निकल के आ जाती है बेटा, सब रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है तुम्हारी यहाँ पे, तुम्हारे सबके स्कूलों में सर्व किया जाएगा इसको। देखो ये बच्चे, तुम क्या देखो कितने खुश रहते हैं। छुट्टियां दिया करो इनको साल में कम से कम 10 महीने की। यस, कबीर साहब।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Kabir Sahab. I'm the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from West Beating. Today's my topic is holidays. As we all know that we are human beings and we need to rest every week or month. So the government gives a holiday to the children
any officer.
Hmm.
We know what is Chutti.
Hmm.
Chutti is the day on which we do many creative things and badmosi.
Hmm.
On this day, sometimes we watch any movie or IPL.
Hmm.
Mhm. On holiday, we go to our nani's house or gaon. On holidays, we do many things like we do cycling, we play cricket,
Yeah.
and
बोला नहीं था
mobile
मैं.
games.
हाँ. बोल.
On holiday, sometimes our सर मेहमान को क्या बोलते हैं?
Guests.
Sometimes guests come our home and do fun with us.
Make fun with us.
And we also make fun with them.
Hmm.
Sometimes with them we play cards, any cards, chess, etc.
Hmm.
So holiday is the day on which the world become very beautiful for us, and the world become very beautiful, greenery. All sides have greenery. We become very happy. Last day of the holiday, our classmates also do many badmosi. Like they make fun with teachers. They play with teachers and make fun.
Hmm.
So I want to say that the holiday is very important for all person, and our mother is also included in it. Yes, sir, that's it.
Very good. Shabash. Priyanka.
Yes, sir. My name is Priyanka. Today is my topic holiday. Holiday is a special day. Don't go to computer class or work. My family discussion food holiday in holiday. My family, my family, my family is a rest and me. Holiday is my favorite day. Holiday enjoy for me.
Is joy for
Enjoy for me, sorry. I go to holiday. I go to holiday. Blank.
Huh?
I go to blank holiday in holiday. Holiday are very special day and important. Yes, sir.
बोलो.
Okay, sir. Holiday play games or enjoy and etc.
Play games in holidays.
Okay, sir.
Uh,
Okay, sir. Ho- people take holiday to relax and happy mind. Holiday, my favorite day. That's it, sir.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. I'm Vaishnavi. I'm the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B18. and today we have a very interesting topic whose name is holiday. You know very well, we are human beings and we have a very lot of work like go to school, go to the office, doing job, etc. And we need to a break. And Sunday is a special day because we feel very relaxed on that day,
Shabash.
and there is a holiday we can go anywhere with our family. Like we can go anywhere. Um, like Birla Mandir, Jawar Circle, City Park, etc. And there are two types of holidays: summer holiday and winter holiday. Summer holiday comes in March to March from March to June,
Shabash.
and winter holiday comes from December to January 25 December to January. And holiday is a very beautiful day, and it is also a very special day for us. And uh, when uh, when we come back from school at when we come back school on Saturday, then we think that tomorrow is Sunday, and we feel very excitement, and we feel very good that tomorrow is holiday. and uh, and I love holidays so much. And when the holiday comes, I go to the many places and many states also with my family, like MP, Hyderabad, Delhi, Mumbai, etc. And and um, when our school teachers give the holidays homework in uh, in the festival of Diwali and Makar Sankranti, etc. And uh, so, in the last, I want to say that I like the holidays so much. Yes, sir, that's it.
Very good. Shabash. बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. Very good. Yamini.
Ji sir. Hello everyone, my name is Yashashvi Sao. I'm the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes. Today I am again here with a new topic. The name of topic is holiday. So we are familiar with the word of holiday. It, the holidays are given to us because the human body need rest, and if he and she does not get any kind of rest, it is harmful for his and her mental and physical health. So holidays are important for us. Usually on the holidays, um, we spend our whole time in sleeping, creativity, playing, and watching TVs, etc. Yeah. On this day, we can complete our pending works, like our pending homework, our pending assignments. We can also help our mother, and on this day we can wash our clothes at the at the helps our mothers and make something special. So holidays are too much excited and interesting.
Exciting.
Um,
Excitedly exciting.
excited. On the day of Saturday, the feeling in our on at our workplaces is perfectly different, because on this day we know that the next day we get a holiday and we can enjoy. So, but sometimes our seniors, principals, boss, leaders stolen our holidays, and the unhappiness between us is unaccepted and untellable. So I want to say that please don't stolen our holidays,
Don't steal.
don't steal our holidays. And if someone said me that you can say me any wish and I can fulfill it, then I definitely wish that I want 6 month holidays twice in whole year. On the day of holiday, I mostly go to my coaching, and after it I come back my home and full and complete my whole works which are pending. So at the last, I want to say that, sir, we like holidays too much, so please increase the number of holiday in a week. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Definitely, I will think about your suggestion. And I declare tomorrow's holiday for you. Okay? Say me thank you. Very good. Shabash. Vipin. Vipin is not connected. Priya. She is also not here. Yes. He is. Yes, come on.
Hello everyone, my name is Priya Meena. Today is our topic holiday.
Yes, Priya. 2 मिनट रुक गया इसके बाद बुलवाऊंगा विपिन को. हाँ, प्रिया बोलो.
I'm telling what is holiday. Holiday is a period of rest from school, rest from school work or any office work. Means stay at home and doing fun at home is called holiday. So holidays are mostly holidays comes in on any occasion like for any festivals like for Diwali, Holi, etc. And there are also holidays for seasons like summer holidays, winter holidays, etc. And it is necessary of holidays. Uh, it is necessary of holidays for because we do our daily routine work and we get bored from our daily lifestyle. So it's a break from these works. So holidays are much needed breaks, and and when there are holidays, mostly people goes mostly people go to on their favorite places uh, like their nanny house, like village or any adventure trip, etc. And spend time there, and we get a chance to make memories from holidays, and holidays refresh our body and mind also. So, in last, I want to say that holidays are very necessary and much needed. I like holidays, and it's always my favorite. That's it.
Very good. शाबाश बेटा. Keep it up. विपिन आ जाओ.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. Today my topic name is holiday.
आराम से बोलना ध्यान से. focus करके. हाँ.
Holiday is very important from children.
For children. From नहीं. हाँ.
Holiday on holiday, I like cricket, mobile, football, etc. Holiday is my favorite.
Day. Holiday is my favorite फेवरेट डे? हाँ, आगे बोलो. क्या हुआ?
I go
क्या बोलो?
I go to Nani house and village on holiday. That's it, sir.
ओके, अब इस टॉपिक पे लिख करके सेंड करना है आपको, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
हाँ. अनवी भी, गर्वित भी, और इसके अलावा विपिन और अंजलि फर्स्ट, तुमको भी इस टॉपिक पे लिख के सेंड करना है, और खुद लिखना, आप किसी की हेल्प मत लेना. ओके, अंजलि फर्स्ट, कम. अंजलि फर्स्ट.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Anjali Meena, and my today's topic is holidays. Holiday is the enjoyable day in my kids' whole life. I go to many places. I go my daddy's house, some daddy's house, Nani's house, or mama's house. I go Nainital, and I do I do 13th hour travel in my boat Nainital trip. When my every children summer vacation start, every kid is very happy. I say happy, and I like every children wake up late. We have laziness. We play outside, and when summer we go cold places. Like I go Nainital. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, आज बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस है तेरा. इसी टॉपिक पे अच्छे से लिख के, ज्यादा से ज्यादा लिख के मेरे को सेंड करना है.
Okay, sir.
हाँ बेटा, अच्छा बोला तूने, आज बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की है. ऐसे लिख करके सेंड करना मेरे को, और ऐसे ही रहा कर हमेशा. कंसिस्टेंसी रखो बेटा. लक्ष्मी.
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today our topic is about holiday. Holidays are the happiness time for everybody.
हैप्पीनेस नहीं,
And
हैप्पीनेस. हाँ बोलो.
yes, sir. And student get a break from their regular school time, and they can enjoy with their family. And holidays are precious day for student, because they can spend their time with their family, and their parents also stay their home, and they can go to visit anywhere, and we can make delicious food at holiday. And Saturday and Sunday are usually declared as holiday in most of the countries. And a lot of students want a lot of holiday in a week. And my opinion that we should study during holiday.
and during holiday we can go to outside, and it can help reduce
अरे वाह बहुत
our
हम्म,
our our stress,
हम्म,
and we have we make happy.
you become happy.
We Yes sir, we can learn good things during holiday, and we can take rest during work from their school and job, and holidays are the favorite. The student Most of the student like holiday,
हम्म,
and we can make a lot of fun during holiday. That's it sir.
very good, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया। किरण,
Yes, sir. My name is Kiran Bairwa. Today's my topic is holiday. Holidays are always the happy day. We enjoy a lot at home. We play with our friends. Holidays. I love summer holidays the most. We go to beautiful place on holidays. I eat my favorite food made by my mother.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया।
It is the time of enjoy and rest. It is the time of break for study.
Not study, the for study, ठीक है।
That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया। इस टॉपिक पे लिख के सेंड करना, अभी नहीं, बाद में लिख के रख लेना, बाद में सेंड करना, ठीक है बेटा। हाँ, खुशी गुजर,
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Kushi Gujar. My topic is holiday.
हाँ,
Holidays means a day of rest,
शाबाश, very good।
and holidays are the happiest time for everybody, especially student.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, बहुत अच्छा बोला बेटा। हाँ,
And this day free from routine work and other days, and some families go to trip in these days.
on these days, हाँ,
On these days.
भी कर सकते हो, कोई बात नहीं, हाँ बोलो।
And we can start favorite activities like
Our
cooking,
favorite activities,
painting.
पूरा बोला करो।
Our favorite activities like cooking, painting, playing, etc. And we can also spend much time with our family and close friends.
शाबाश बेटा।
And it can help stress, anxiety, and and can improve overall our mood. And holidays are great things. It's great things. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, अब तो थोड़ा सा नेचुरलिटी आने लग गई तेरे बोलने में, है ना? बस फोकस करके कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बोला करो बस,
Okay,
अपने
sir.
आप आ जाएगा सर। अब नेचुरलिटी सी आने लग गई बेटा तुम्हारे बोलने में, है ना? यही चाहिए अपने को, बस कोशिश करते रहो। मीनू आजा बेटा। हाँ बेटा, क्या हुआ बेटा?
Hello everyone. Today I'm telling you about holidays. Holidays are the best days for us. Holidays free us from burden of books
Make us free.
and office work. Make us officer.
Make us free. आगे बोलो।
I watches TV, play games. I watches TV and play games on this day. सर आवाज आ रही है?
बेटा थोड़ी सी अच्छी नहीं आ रही, आ तो रही है पर ऐसे अच्छी सी नहीं आ रही।
I watches TV on this day.
हाँ थोड़ा सा इम्प्रूव हुई है। वॉचेज नहीं बेटा, वॉच ही आएगा ना बेटा। आई वॉच, आई सब्जेक्ट है। आगे बोलो आप, तो सुन लो कोई बात नहीं, आगे बोलो आप, उसको रिपीट मत करो। हाँ
I spend much more time with my family. All workers are free on this day. They also visit with their family. Holidays are very important for us. We are excited for holidays.
आवाज बेटा धीरे धीरे
That's
चलो, कोई बात नहीं बेटा, बहुत अच्छा। ऐसे एफर्ट्स करो बेटा। इसी टॉपिक पे लिखना है अब आपको, है ना? लिख
Okay,
के,
sir.
मतलब यही टॉपिक है अब आपका, लिख के आप मुझे डालना। और अभी नहीं, जब चेक हो जाए तब डालना। पहले डाला हुआ है कुछ आपने?
Yes, sir.
तो फिर वो चेक हो जाए तब डालना इस टॉपिक को, है ना बेटा? अभी मत डालना, लिख लेना आप पहले। ओके मधु।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Madhu Kumari Meena. I am the student of Ramba Interactive Classes from Best 20. Today my topic is holiday. Holiday is not only rest but also a emotion for students. The feeling of students connected this day. This day they enjoyed a lot. They like this day very much because this day they watch TV a lot and they do think according their wishes, like playing all day and sleeping late and ignored their homework, etc. In my school days, before that, before Sunday, we used to go school and we used to play games a lot
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत
and
अच्छा मॉडल लगाया।
we used to get our clothes dirty because the next day was a holiday, so we did not care about our uniform. And this holiday is a very happy holiday is a very important for workers. This day they enjoy their family and they can go anywhere with family and spend time their family and sometime some sir, winter season and summer season, one winter vacation and summer vacation. Some children, uh, some children go to their nanny's house and they enjoyed a lot there. And um, um, holiday is a very important for all and holiday should be given time to time. That's it, sir.
बेटा वेरी गुड शाबाश बेटा अब आगे नेचुरलिटी आने लगी बेटा बस करते रहो कोशिश आप हो गया अब तो काम तुम्हारा अनुज
Yes, sir.
बोल बेटा
Very Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Anuj, and today we are given a topic that is holiday. Holiday. Holiday is a day when you feel happy and stress less. And holiday is the day that is full of joy. And there are majorly three national holidays in India. They are Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. And these holidays are given from the government of India to everyone. And holidays are the days when you can spend your time with your relatives. And holidays are the days when you can improve your skills like cooking, dancing, gaming.
शाबाश शाबाश बहुत बढ़िया बेटा बहुत बढ़िया बेटा
And holidays are the days when you can travel with to your favorite locations. And there is a common holiday for everyone, that is Sunday.
शाबाश
And there are many holidays in a whole year. They are given or different types of different times. And some holidays are given on the festivals, some are given on the occasions, some are given at the Jayantis, and some are given
हाँ बोल
at the appearance or disappearance of the great people, and etc. And holidays and the best feeling of a week of everyone is at the Saturday night when they are sleeping and think that tomorrow is a Sunday and we will free tomorrow. And the best feeling of a week for everyone at the Sunday night, and they think that they have to wake up early at the Monday and going to their work. And there was a time when there was longest holiday. There was a time when COVID-19 pandemic came, and that time was the longest holidays of all time in India, I think. and for students and for all. And holidays should be given at the limit, and more and more holidays can may cause of laziness.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया.
And at the and even in a week that is or in a Sunday, that is a common holiday in a week, and everyone should go once to the temple, and should give his or her time to the God. And that's it, sir.
वेरी गुड बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, अच्छा फ्लो है बेटा, शाबाश. ये बेटा, यस काजल.
Today my topic is holiday. As we all know that holidays when things for the students, and this day we complete all works, and most of the students play this day, and they enjoy this day, and the holidays are very important for all, and some kids waiting all week for complete their works, and they play all day, and free from all worries, and they don't have any stress for their homework, and they play free mind, and holidays are very important for all family members spend time with each other, and on this day we make something special food, and enjoy with our family, and some people go for travel with our family, and they enjoy this day, and some people many people enjoy this day many different types. Some people in this day during doing all works, very holiday is very important day for the students, and they enjoy this day very much, and they like this day so much, and they do they on this day they can do which they like, and they don't have any stress, and free from all worries, and they are very important because holidays are given us for relaxing our works, and on this day at last I want to say that holidays should be given us. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, शाबाश बेटा, बोलने की कोशिश करो बेटा. वेरी गुड. यस सोनिया.
Hello, sir.
हाँ बेटा.
My name is Sonia Sharma. I want to tell you about holidays. holiday is very important in our life because they part of enjoyment and rest. We can we, ca- we can enjoy these days many
कैमरा चालू कर या आप बोल
we can we can enjoy these days many huh. I remember my school days. So I remember my school days. I want to my school days because when teacher came to my school, my classroom, and say tomorrow will be holiday. I me and my friends are no, me and my friends were very happy.
बोल बोल बोल
सर स्कूल के दिन बता रही हूँ है ना।
हाँ बता दे तू बता दे ज्यादा लंबा चौड़ा मत बताना हाँ
अब सर अब क्या करूँ, हॉलीडे पे बुलवाया सर, लंबा चौड़ा तो बनेगा।
बोल बोल
And my friends were very happy, and we planned many things after school. Many friends came to my home and gave many things. My childhood days are very beautiful days. I don't know what is holiday everyone, but the holidays is very no, holiday is very um, reflection days for me because all peoples are going no, all peoples go to many places like Jammu Kashmir, Manali, etc. uh, but my fa-
दांत मत निकाल जल्दी
but
बोल
my सर आप मुझे भुला देते हो, आप मत बोला करो
अच्छा मैं
सर।
नहीं बोला ठीक है नहीं बोल रहा मैं बोल
हाँ but I went to my place because because रुक जाओ हाँ, because I liked my place more than Jammu Kashmir, Manali, etc.
yes very good your village is your Jammu Kashmir very good शाबाश very good ये है
सर घर के
पॉजिटिविटी हाँ बोल
सर घर के भेजेंगे ही नहीं जम्मू कश्मीर, क्या
कोई
करूं
बात
फिर।
नहीं ये ठीक है ओके वेरी गुड माय विलेज इज माय जम्मू
हाँ
कश्मीर फॉर मी शाबाश बोल
हाँ and my relatives like to नहीं, my relative like to me many more my family, and my auntie taught many things like चिप्स बनाना, नहीं कुक्ड चिप्स एंड सर वो वासन बनाना क्या होता है, जो भी है सर समझ जाओ सर, आप समझ जाओ। हाँ many things and my brother love to me many more my सर रुक जाओ सर, खास भाई को क्या कहते हैं सर, खास भाई को सर मैं भूल गई,
किसको
रियल ब्रदर सॉरी सर, रियल ब्रदर हाँ when I came my blaze to my blaze and I said very bad very feel sorry sir, I feel very bad,
सिग्नल चले जाते हैं सिग्नल
हाँ I feel very bad
दर्द हो जाती है वही हो रहा है
सर, सिंगल चलो के नहीं बोला जाता सर,
सॉरी बेटा तेरे को नहीं बोलना चाहिए तू बोल आगे बोल बोल
सर आप मुझ पे हंसते हो, फिर मुझे लगता है मैंने कुछ कमी छोड़ दी, इसलिए आप मुझ पे हंस रहे हो।
मैं तो इसलिए हंस रहा हूँ कि तू इतना अच्छा बोल रही है, बोल आगे बोल, शाबाश बहुत बढ़िया। हाँ
थैंक यू सर। हाँ और we should enjoy these days because they are very नहीं आते बहुत मुश्किल से they are very नहीं सुनो बहुत मुश्किल से आते these days came to in my life
हाँ बोल शाबाश
very very मुश्किल से सर मुश्किल से
hardly
hardly in childhood because because as well नहीं as well as बड़े होते जाते हैं रुक जाओ सर
हाँ रुक रहा हूँ
बड़े होते जाते हैं as well as
छोड़ देना भाई
नहीं
पीछे
ग्रे
चली
अप
अगला सेंटेंस बोल दे हाँ
नहीं सर यही तो मेन सेंटेंस है
अच्छा बोल
as
मेन
well
सेंटेंस
as
बोल तेरा
they sir as well as they grow up so they
grow up
forget my eh? नहीं
grow
सर
up
मैं मेरी बता रही हूँ
अच्छा
आई
तेरी
ग्रे
सुन
अप
रहे हैं
मैं मेरी
हाँ तेरी सुन रहे हैं
मतलब मैं just grow up we forget these days because पता नहीं हम कहाँ था because I नहीं we don't know we don't know we don't know our life नहीं सर रुक जाओ सर ये सेंटेंस थोड़ा सा बन नहीं रहा सर मेरे से
अच्छा कोई बात नहीं उसको छोड़
सर
दे
छोड़ दिया
दूसरा बना ले
सर छोड़ दिया सर इतना अच्छा था सर मैं भूल
कोई
गई
बात नहीं अब
इतना
तू
अच्छा
बोल दे
सोचा
फिर
था
टॉपिक
मैंने
पे तेरी बात बाद में सुन लेंगे हम बोल
सर एक बार सर आप बता दो मैं हिंदी में बता रही हूँ
हाँ
इसका
बता
जैसे जैसे हम बड़े होते जाते हैं तो ये दिन मतलब ये हॉलीडेज भी हमारे हमारे हाथ से छूटते जाते हैं मतलब ऐसे
as we grow up we lose
हाँ
these holidays छोटा सा सेंटेंस
हाँ
आगे
सर
बोल तुम रिपीट मत कर आगे बोल
हाँ ये अप एंड हाँ आई वांट टू these days है सर
या I want these days हाँ बोल आगे बोल
हाँ these days हाँ चाहते many peoples want 2 days because चाहते हैं because they are enjoy these days सर बस सर आज
अरे बहुत बढ़िया बोला तूने
भूल
शाबाश
जाऊंगी नहीं तो
अरे पूछे मत तू हम तो पूरे चार्ज हो गए आज है ना सारी
क्या
क्लास चार्ज
सर
हो गई आज चिंता मत करे तू बहुत बढ़िया और इसी टॉपिक पे लिंक
सर
सेंड करना हाँ
सर मैं अच्छा नहीं बोली
अरे बहुत बढ़िया एकदम बढ़िया से भी बढ़िया बोली तू अगर सुना तेरी रिकॉर्डिंग आज पहली बार तो बोली है तू बहुत बढ़िया बोली कांग्रेचुलेशन बेटा शाबाश बेटा
सर आपने पहली बार सुना है मैं बोलती बहुत हूँ पर
तू बोलती है हमने तेरे को अंग्रेजी बोलते हुए पहली बार सुना है हिंदी तो तू खूब बोलती है खूब सुनी है हमने तेरे ज्यादा कोई बोलता हुआ नहीं देखा हमने वास्तव में लड़की है तू लड़कियों के लिए प्राउड है तू मतलब यू आर प्राउड फॉर गर्ल्स तेरे जैसी होनी चाहिए आज के लिए लड़कियां मिलती हैं इस तरह तेरे जैसी प्रजाति की लड़कियां लुप्त हो चुकी हैं प्राय बोलती नहीं है लड़कियां
सर अगर मेरी जैसी मिल जाएंगी तो मुझे कौन याद करेगा
तेरे को कौन याद करेगा चलो सुन जरा दूसरों को खुशी मीना आजा बेटा
हाँ yes sir hello everyone my name is Khushi Meena today my topic is holiday I like holidays all are happy but children are more happy
अच्छा very good more happy हाँ शाबाश
every week holidays come on Sunday
शाबाश
every month there is a holiday other than Sunday like Janmashtami 15 August 26 January etc
शाबाश
I watch TV and use mobile on holiday and I laugh and joke with my family
शाबाश बेटा वेरी गुड बेटा धीरे धीरे बोलती रहे बेटा ऐसी हाँ
I enjoy The holiday very much.
हम्म,
That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया। तो लेंथ फटा बेटा, धीरे धीरे है ना, इसी टॉपिक पे लिखना बेटा, है ना, लिख के डालना। काम तेरा कुछ पेंडिंग है क्या चेक होने के लिए?
नहीं सर, हो गया आज।
बस तो फिर डाल देना कभी भी लिख के, है ना बेटा। हाँ, ओके। यस, नाउ सिमरन आजा, आजा बेटा।
Sorry, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Simran Gujar. Today's my topic different. Sir, my topic are my hobbies. बोल भी क्या सर इसमें?
बोल दे, बोल दे। हॉलीडे पे बोल तो सकती थी तू, पर कोई बात नहीं, हॉबी पे बोल दे, कोई बात नहीं। बोल दे, बोल दे, बोल दे।
Uh, I have many hobbies like playing games and dancing and singing and cutting newspaper, many shapes, applying mehndi, design, etc. My first hobby uh, is cutting newspaper, uh, many shapes,
In many
like
shapes. In many shapes.
in many shapes like flower shape, apple shape, heart shape, etc. And my second uh, hobby is learn to self defense daily.
Very good.
It is very important for every girl because rape murder cases are increasing day by day. So it is necessary learn to
To
every
learn.
girl.
It is necessary to learn. It is necessary for a girl to learn.
It is necessary for in girl to learn.
Shabash.
And my next hobby is clicking the picture of nature. And I like pray the sun in the morning. It is provide me positive energy.
It provides me is नहीं, it active तो बनेगा. It provides me positive energy. आगे बोलो.
It gives vitamin D, and I think every children like play ludo. Every child like play ludo on the phone, but I like chess. But I like play chess on the phone.
Shabash, shabash.
It is it is indoor game. It is played mostly in South India.
Shabash, very good.
Its expert player Mr. D. Gukesh.
Is Mr. D, जो भी है.
He has won the World Cup 2025. It is my favorite game, and it increase mental capacity.
बहुत बढ़िया.
And my next hobby is dancing. And my next hobby is drawing the picture of nature. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया बोला बेटा, शाबाश बेटा. होने लग गया बेटा, नेचुरलिटी आने लग गई बेटा. वेरी गुड, कीप इट अप. शाबाश बेटा. यस, नाउ मुस्कान.
Yes, sir.
Khan and then Rashmi. Yes.
Good evening, everyone. And today my topic is holiday. And holiday are very important in children life. Uh, Holidays are always the happy day, and we enjoy a lot at home, and we play with our siblings on holidays,
Very good, beta. हाँ, beta.
and we go to visit beautiful places on holidays like Manali, Mount Tabu, and Goa, etc. And there are the days when we spend our time with your family, and all have uh, we all have a break for our uh, break for our 57. We all have a break for our body, and holidays relax our minds.
Shabash. Very good.
And there are many types of holidays like winter holidays, summer holidays, and Sunday holiday, etc. And uh, and some kids not and the children sometimes the children hear about the holidays, and they are so happy if if they has won a lottery. And and we is and in holidays we go to our relatives house, like nani house, bua, and then go to our village. And but some and but sometimes we miss our school friends
Shabash. हाँ,
and in holidays, and so we thought when should where, so uh, should will open, and we will meet your friend.
Our friends.
Your friends. And I go to village, and in my holidays, and mostly I watch mobile and make drawings in holidays. That's it, sir.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. Very good बेटा. बहुत अच्छा होने लग गया बेटा. आप लिखती रहना बेटा कंटिन्यूअसली, है ना? हाँ, लिख के डालते रहना बेटा. चेक जरूर होता रहेगा वो जैसे जैसे भी होगा. ओके, रश्मि.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Rashmi Meena. My topic is holidays. Holidays is the happiest day of our life. Everybody, as we know that everybody loves holidays because everybody want break from their work. Generally, holidays are given on Sunday and any occasion and some seasons like winter and summer. In summer, we get 2 months holiday. Sometimes we get holiday on rainy days because of heavy rain. Holidays are important for relaxation. They provide relief from the monotony of our daily routine.
वेरी गुड बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया.
We have time to do our favorite things in holiday. We can improve our skills. We can do our favorite things. We
शाबाश,
can
बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ.
students and everybody waited for Sunday because they are free that day. Especially students on Saturday, they feel so much happy because the next day is a Sunday. Some students complete their work on Saturday because they don't want to do work on Sunday. On Sunday, generally students on Sunday they wash their clothes and wash their shoes and pack their bag properly and do their pending work.
शाबाश, very good.
Do their pending work, play games, and they spend time with their family and they go out with their parents and friends.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. हाँ.
That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, आज तो बहुत अच्छा बोला. शाबाश. डे बाय डे यू आर गेटिंग इम्प्रूवमेंट. शाबाश बेटा, कीप इट अप. वेरी गुड. एवरीथिंग इज ओके. एंड आई थिंक all have done. So thank you very much.